My name is Abdul Ali and I am 20 years old. I came from Kenya and my problem was I had an ACL torn when I was playing football. So I saw it on the internet. I was trying to check on the internet that the best doctors, orthopedic doctors. Then the first thing that popped out was Mr. Jawad's name, and then I got to know that he does in this hospital. He's a very excellent doctor because he was able to analyze my situation. He asked me questions. He understood my situation. He was asking me how I'm feeling, what pain I'm going through. He was actually able to personalize with me. And then also during the surgery time, he was able to comfort me if I was having tense or everything. That was an excellent choice. I think I made the right choice. Yeah, he's a really good doctor. My regular course, I do 3 exercises as prescribed by Mr. Prasad and Nanda. 3 times a day I do the exercises, and then as I do them, I feel that my muscles are getting stronger, and the ligament is getting more powerful, and I'm eating healthy food, fruits and more of proteins. It turns out well that I'm able to walk right now. I'm feeling a lot better. The stability, I'm feeling like I'm gaining a lot of stability when I'm walking, and I'm feeling good. If I come across anyone, I would recommend them to come here. The service is good. The operation theater is really nice, and the people are really nice. Yeah, I would recommend it here.
Zero infection. There are no